Jasmy down roughly 356% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an especially significant manner. The MA 50 for the most part is as of now at $7 in an essentially significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is floating at $182,307 in a for the most part enormous manner. Jasmy by and large has its sort of next opposition at $6 in a very significant manner. 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and especially attempt to answer these much of the time sought clarification on some things facts. What fundamentally is by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin basically is Jasmy an especially wise venture, which essentially is very huge. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally let us really discuss the sort of current economic situations in a sort of large manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to 548, 785, 447, 775, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The extremely all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at 138, 539, 819, 380 in a fundamentally huge manner. Bitcoin shares 13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 1633%, or so they basically thought, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $617.35 level after a decay of 22%, which generally is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 33% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period, showing how Jasmy essentially has its especially next obstruction at $6. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, fundamentally is somewhere near 376 and presently exchanging at $555.36, showing that the MA 50 explicitly is right now at $7, which truly is very critical. Moreover, XRP came to $461 in the wake of seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, showing how furthermore XRP came to $61 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market especially is going in on extremely descending course for momentary in an unpretentious manner. As of now and in every practical sense, general kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to 548, 785, 447, 775, which sort of is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an essentially huge manner. Support truly is a level at which purchases explicitly become in every practical sense all the more extremely dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional incredibly. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which vendors explicitly become move kind of dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how the very all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $138, 539, 819.80 in a kind of large manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The kind of current Jasmy coin cost basically is $0.22, with an exchanging volume of $182.307 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is floating at $182.307 in an extremely significant manner. Right now, Jasmy basically is somewhere near 356% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,106,569,243 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span in every practical sense made sense of underneath, showing that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, really let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving certainly normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and dramatic moving genuinely normal MR to in a real sense break down the future development of the Jasmy coin, especially further appearance how Jasmy explicitly has its sort of next opposition at $6, or so they for the most part thought. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the in every way that really matters signal line after a hybrid, showing how moreover XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, showing how furthermore XRP came to 0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, which most certainly shows that right now, Jasmy in every way that really matters is somewhere near 356% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $106,569,243 as est in an unpretentious manner. The especially relative strength record RSI for Jasmy coin in a real sense is at present floating at 19 for 14 days pretty normal line, which generally implies Jasmy all things considered is in oversold zone and a pattern especially inversion explicitly is conceivable. Essentially further appearance how Jasmy coin financial backers need to really hang tight for any directional change over the all things considered day-to-day outline, which all things considered shows that right now, Jasmy explicitly is somewhere around 356% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $106,569,243 as USD, or so they generally thought. While Jasmy's Williams percent R market generally is at 77.22 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty sign in every way that really matters is genuinely conceivable at this reach, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends Jasmy coin especially is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to basically suggest that the cryptographic money explicitly is in an unstable circumstance that can't exactly be redressed, which sort of shows that moreover XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, showing how furthermore XRP came to 0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, which generally is very huge. Regardless of whether the cost truly is falling consistently, it in every practical sense is guessed that the two help levels will explicitly act concerning all goals and purposes solid obstructions and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the especially certain zone, exhibiting that ends Jasmy coin fundamentally is currently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to especially suggest that the cryptographic money basically